Hi 212 students, welcome to our clip video. So today we're going to show you how to use the clip tool. This will be important for some of your layers because some of your layers, like the streams and some of the other ones, they cover the whole state of Utah. But that would take a lot to do all that processing on the whole state of Utah. So let's imagine that you have these green polygons are a layer that you're interested in working with, and the tan box is your area of interest. So if we want to just look at the green polygons that are within your area of interest, we'll use the clip tool. And I already have it pulled up here, but basically you'll just search clip in the geoprocessing and you can go ahead and open it up. Your input features are going to be the green polygons, whatever you want to get cut down. So I'm going to put in this polygon layer. The clip feature is going to be the area of interest. It's kind of like your cookie cutter. And then this is the output feature class. That's what it's going to be named. So it's going to be called polygon clip. If I say run, then we can see what this will look like. Make sure it did it right. So if I turn off our original layer, we can see that the resulting layer, polygon clip, is just the green polygons within that area of interest. So the clip tool works the same for points and line layers as well. If we started with this point layer and I ran the clip on it, it would look like this. If we had a line layer and we clipped it the same way as we did the polygon, it would look just like this. So there you go.